Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you are new, and this is the current situation in my craft room. It is a mess. I've just finished doing all of my Patreon stuff. I'm also working on about 3 or 4 different journals, and I have all kinds of things out. So today I am going to try to do some cleaning. Whew, wish me luck, everyone. I'll take you along. I think where I'm going to start, because it actually spills out into the hallway, I'm going to start putting away some of the items that I used for my patrons. I really like to use these big trays for the different projects that I'm working on. I have 5 of these trays. So this was for my April Patreon, and you can see all the different bits and bobs that I have out here. So I'm going to work on cleaning this up and putting all these pieces away. So I have this black lace here, and I am going to put this back over in my lace section. I have done a couple tours of my craft room, so if you're new and you want to check out those tours, just kind of search on my channel for craft room tour. So I'm going to put this back, and this I put over there as well. Next I have all these different charm pieces, so I'm going to put them back into their bags. So I have a bunch of keys and a bunch of gears. So I'm going to put all the gears back in here. Well, I hope everyone is doing well. So I've put the gears back in here. I have all of the clock charms and the key charms. And then over here in my, is it Raskog? I forget the name of the cart, but it's an IKEA cart. I have these trays that I keep a lot of my bookbinding pieces in. And so this tray here is the one that I have all these kind of key and clock charms in. And these are all things related to kind of my decorating the outside of my book, like the little, what do they call these? I call them embellishments. And then all of the page corner protectors. And then I have a few other little things in there. So I like having those down there. I do have all these little Tim Holtz thought tokens. So I keep these bigger charms. I have another little tin over here that I keep them in. So I have this here. Oh, and this clock needs to go in there. But yeah, I'm just trying to put the extra pieces away. That I had out. And then I have this tin here that has other charms and beads. So I'm going to put these thought tokens and then these in here. And I have some leaf charms. So yeah, so I'm just slowly kind of tidying up and putting all these things away. And this goes, here, let me flip the camera. So this tin here, right here, And then this is a tin of buttons, and I put that right there. I have a place for most everything. Just a matter of getting it all put away. These are a bunch of paper scraps that I need to go through here. These bigger pieces, I think I can use those. So I need to put these in my scrap. I have some, what do you call it? Magazine holders. And so I'll put those scraps in there. And then these are some new items. These are those Tim Holtz letters and stencils. So I need to find a new place to store those. And then these skeleton keys, these go back down here where those other charms were. And then these little scraps I'm just going to throw away. And I need to empty my garbage. So these go with those. So I don't know if I want to keep those. So these are some little bingo balls. Aren't those cool? My patrons got those. And these are some of my little mixed media pieces that I need to find a home for. Just there. My jewelry. This goes back over in that blue drawer that the charms and the buttons were sitting on top of. So yeah, I'm slowly kind of just going back through things that have a home. I'm putting them back in immediately, and then things that don't have a home, I need to figure out where I want to put those. And then my labels all go into one of the clear acrylic drawers I have on my desk. And this is a little piece of cheesecloth, and I have over here, I don't know if you can see it, sorry about that. This is a little fabric scrap container, so I put that up there. And then these wood pieces, I have a big plastic tub over on the floor that goes in my closet up on the top shelf. And so I think I'm going to put all that back in there because I like keeping all the wood pieces together. And I got to decide if that's where I want to put these bingo balls. And then I also have these fun little tokens with numbers on them. I might put this in the charm drawer, actually. These here. And these bows go back in up on my top shelf. I have a little box that I have all these in. Alright, so I'm going to finish putting these little pieces away, and then I will come back and show you the progress. Here I was experimenting with putting that foundry wax on here, but I have to work on that a little bit more. And more bows. Oh, and another token. And these are stickers, so those are going to go in my sticker drawer. Yeah, and this needs to go with my charms. almost knocked my light over. All right, I'm going to finish cleaning, putting these things away, and then I'll be back. So this little area of the floor has been cleaned up almost. Making a little bit of progress. Next, I need to put away these Dollar Tree stamps, my paints, and some ephemera pieces. This is all my purple journal I'm working on over on Patreon. So I'm still working on that, but I want to get it up off the floor. So that is what I'm working on next. And then these are some scrap papers I need to put away. I have my scrap magazine folders, but they're starting to get full. I'm going to have to do a scrap busting video, I think, soon. All right, I'll check in a little bit and show you where I am after I work on this section. I'm making progress. There's more of the floor that's you can actually see. I still have, this is all of my current purple journal that I'm working on. So I'm going to put that on one of my in-work trays. But I got the rest of the stuff put away. And next I'm going to move on to my desk because I'll pan up here. We got stuff over on this desk, and then this desk, and this desk. So making progress, but still have a ways to go. I wanted to show you all, these are some calyx cubes that I got from IKEA, and I've just recently kind of reorganized and cleaned these up a little bit. So here I have a whole bunch of different envelopes and some plain cardstock. Down here I have a lot of my mixed media papers and like my stencils and sandpaper and all kinds of different kind of specialty kind of things. And then here is some more plain cardstock, 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12. Here are just a whole bunch of paper pads. These are all Christmas paper pads. Down here I have a few more paper pads, and then these are maps. And then here is a thing of scraps. And then I have my chipboard, and I have some more cardstock up here. These are my 6x6 paper pads and some sticker pads down in there. And then these are some napkins. I'm starting to outgrow my napkin storage, so I need to rethink that. And then these are some Christmas 6x6 paper pads. And then these are some more paper pads that I need to put back up here. And I think all of them will fit, but I really like the organization. This one was kind of junked up, so that's all nice and neat. I like that. And then a lot of my plain cardstock had started to get really messy. So I think it all looks really nice. This is in my closet, so I can close the door and don't have to look at it if I don't want to. And then up on top, I have my cinch. I have my embossing folders and die cuts. And then I have my Sizzix die cut back there. And then these are fabrics. I have some fabrics I need to put away. And then I have scrapbook paper back in there. So yeah, I would like to get, I think, one more calyx cube, a 1x4, and put it on top of here. And that way I could store more of my papers, because I still have these containers here that are all 12 by 12 papers and paper pads. And I think if I had one more calyx cube, then I could store those in there, and I wouldn't need these, all of these, I think. So I'm trying to decide if I want to get one more, a 1x4. I don't think they're that expensive, but I'll have to figure that out. I love the sun that I get in here in the afternoon. It's so pretty out. All right, back to some more cleaning. or I guess organizing. Hey everyone, I have gotten this section of my desk cleaned off. It looks much, much better. Things put away. I still have more to go over on this side, but I think I'm going to stop here for the evening. I have quite a few items over there that I need to figure out where they go because I don't have a spot for them. And then I don't know if you all remember, but on the wall back here, I had this Dollar Tree pegboard system. And I had it there for over a year. Well, it finally, everything just fell off the wall. So a lot of the items over here were on that pegboard system. So I have some shelves that I'm going to put up there instead. I think they will be much more sturdy and useful. But I'm happy that my floor is cleaned up for the most part, and that's just my current storage situation right now. My husband, I'm still waiting on him to make some more shelves for me behind my door to the room here, and all of that will go up on the shelves that he puts up for me. So just patience there. And then I need to organize this over here. So I have some fabric and then a journal that's in a couple journals. So that shouldn't take me very long to clean off. I feel like this one is going to take me a little bit longer because I have some items that I don't already have a storage spot for. And then stay tuned because I have 2 other bedrooms full of stuff that I need to get organized, and I will take you along on that journey as well. In one bedroom I have my Cricut supplies, and then all of my vintage and antique estate sale finds. And then in the other bedroom I have other projects that are in work, and I just have them on the bed in the other bedroom. And then I have some memorabilia things of mine that I want to start making some journals for them, and put those memorabilia pieces in journals instead of just keep putting them in boxes and bags and things like that. So stick around. I'm going to be working. I want to finish organizing in here, and then I'll do some organizing in those other 2 rooms. I have some old video of the room where I have my vintage finds, so I think I will probably share that with you guys and then kind of move forward from there. But as you know, this organizing and decluttering is an ongoing process, and so I'm sure as I get more projects going that my tables will get all cluttered again and the floor will get cluttered, but that's okay. I like taking a breath and just kind of organizing, and then I can move on to the next projects, because I get to a point where I just have to stop and kind of clean up. It interferes with my creative process. But that's all for now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.